Summer is here, and if you're a foodie who lives for bold flavors and easy eats, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian wraps. 3 irresistible creations that are perfect for picnics, poolside lunches, or just a quick bite in the sunshine. Whether you're a fan of classic Italian ingredients or you're just looking for a new way to enjoy your favorite flavors, these wraps are about to become your go-to summer obsession. So grab your appetite and let's get rolling. Imagine biting into a wrap that's bursting with cheesy, zesty magic, each one a handheld celebration of Italy's most iconic tastes. We're talking about wraps that are not only delicious, but also super easy to make, totally customizable, and guaranteed to impress your friends at any summer gathering. These aren't your average wraps. They're packed with vibrant veggies, creamy cheeses, and all the bold herby flavors you crave when the weather heats up. Ready to roll? Let's kick things off with our first star, the Caprese chicken wrap. This one is inspired by the classic Caprese salad, but we're taking it to the next level by adding juicy grilled chicken and wrapping it all up for maximum flavor in every bite. Here's how you build it. Start with tender, juicy grilled chicken, seasoned with a little salt, pepper, and maybe a sprinkle of Italian herbs if you're feeling fancy. Next, layer on slices of creamy fresh mozzarella, followed by sweet, ripe tomatoes. Don't forget the fresh basil leaves, which add that unmistakable Italian aroma and a pop of green. And for the finishing touch, a generous drizzle of tangy balsamic glaze brings everything together, adding a sweet and slightly tart kick that makes every bite sing. Now take all those gorgeous ingredients and pile them onto a soft tortilla. Roll it up nice and tight, making sure every layer is tucked in so you get a bit of everything in each mouthful. Give it a quick toast in a hot pan or on a grill, just enough to warm the wrap and melt the cheese slightly. The result? A wrap that's bursting with summer freshness, creamy cheese, and that irresistible balsamic tang. It's like a picnic in your hand, and it's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a hearty snack on the go. What makes this wrap so special is how it captures the essence of a Caprese salad, light, fresh, and cheesy, but makes it totally portable. No fork required. And if you want to switch things up, try swapping the chicken for grilled tofu or roasted veggies for a vegetarian twist. All right, moving on to our next Italian masterpiece, the eggplant parmigiana wrap. Yes, you heard that right. Eggplant parm, but in wrap form. Let's talk about what goes inside. Start with slices of eggplant, breaded and fried until they're golden and crispy on the outside, but soft and tender on the inside. Layer those beauties onto your tortilla, then add a generous helping of melty mozzarella cheese. Spoon over some hot, garlicky marinara sauce, homemade or store-bought. Just make sure it's rich and flavorful. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a burst of color and a hint of freshness. Want to take it up a notch? Spread a little garlic butter or roasted garlic spread on the inside of your tortilla before you add the fillings. It adds a subtle richness and a punch of flavor that makes this wrap taste like it came straight from a cozy Italian trattoria. Once you've got everything assembled, it's time for the magic touch. Sizzle your wrap in a hot skillet until the outside is golden and crispy, and the cheese inside is perfectly gooey. The smell alone will have everyone in the kitchen asking what's cooking. When you bite in, you get that satisfying crunch from the breaded eggplant, the creamy melt of mozzarella, and the rich, tangy marinara all in one. It's saucy, cheesy, and so good it'll have you shouting, "Mamma mia!" after every bite. This wrap is comfort food with a summer twist. Perfect for when you want something hearty but not too heavy. And now, for our grand finale, the Italian deli wrap. This one is for all the sandwich lovers out there who dream of strolling through a bustling Italian market, sampling all the best meats and cheeses. We're taking all those classic deli flavors and rolling them up into one epic wrap. Here's what you'll need. Thinly sliced salami, mortadella, and provolone cheese for that perfect balance of savory, creamy, and just a little bit spicy. Pile on crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, sharp red onion, and tangy banana peppers for crunch and zing. The combination of flavors and textures is out of this world. Every bite is a little party for your taste buds. But we're not done yet. To really make this wrap sing, drizzle on some zesty Italian dressing or a dollop of pesto mayo. The dressing adds a bright herby kick, while the pesto mayo brings a creamy, garlicky richness that ties everything together. If you like a little heat, throw in some sliced pepperoncini or a dash of chili flakes for extra excitement. The best part, this wrap is just as delicious cold as it is warm. It's like a New York deli got lost in the heart of Rome and decided to stay for lunch. Perfect for packing in your picnic basket, taking to the beach, or enjoying at your desk when you need a little taste of Italy to brighten your day. So there you have it. 3 Italian wraps, each one bursting with enough flavor to make your taste buds do the tarantella. Whether you're craving the fresh, summery vibes of the Caprese chicken, the comforting crunch of eggplant parmigiana, or the bold, savory punch of the Italian deli, there's a wrap here for every mood and every occasion. And the best part? You can mix and match ingredients, add your own twists, and make these wraps truly your own. I want to know, which one are you making first? Are you team Caprese, team eggplant parm, or team Deli? Or maybe you've got your own Italian-inspired wrap idea to share. Drop your favorite in the comments below and let's get a wrap party started. I love seeing your creations and hearing your twists on these classic flavors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smack that like button, subscribe to DD for more delicious ideas, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. There's a whole world of flavor out there and we're just getting started. Until next time, keep rolling, keep tasting, and as always, buon appetito, friends. Stay hungry, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.